Password and sign up, right?
Yeah, no, those are the dependencies. So if user have the valid email address, that person is good to go, right? They
Mm-hmm.
don't need anything to do here. Just then they have to actually input the information. So just simply the user should have it. So you can put here the dependency. We don't need to nothing do here. Then the acceptance criteria. Given the user is on the user is
The
navigate to
finance
the
page,
yes for you.
financial page.
Yeah, finance homepage, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then when I click on the
Log login.
no, yeah, after come here, then we are clicking on the login button, right?
Uh-huh.
User is navigating. When I click on the login button from the right top corner, okay, then it should appear the login form. When I click on the create account here, right? Create account
Create
link.
account.
So this is the
Yes.
link actually. Create
Okay.
account link, and then it should
Take us.
appear,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, appear the registration form, right?
Page form. Yeah.
Yeah. Then when I input my first name and input
Email
the
pass last name.
last name, is it like this? I forgot. Okay.
Yes, it was there. Yeah.
Yeah, first name, last name.
Email ID
Uh,
and password.
so first name in the first name field, last name in the last name field,
Mobile
and
email ID.
input the valid email address and the email
Email
field,
ID. Email field. Yes.
okay,
Mm-hmm. And
and input
phone,
the
mobile number.
password. I don't think it's asking the phone number, it's asking the password.
Password. Okay.
Then and input the password
Do we
in
need
the
to specify here like password should be like there should be one
yeah
like
and then
caps?
okay, and input the complex password. So in the complex password, it's like uh,
Hash or at the rate or something, right?
yeah, one symbol, uh, uppercase,
Uppercase.
lowercase, okay,
Yeah, numbers. Yeah, those kind
and
of.
numbers in the password field. Okay, then it should navigate. It should register the information or register the uh, account successfully. Okay.
Okay.
So here, what we can do, though we can actually enhance on this user history also a little bit. Like here, we are not validating anything. So after giving the first name, last name, email, and password, if I give the create account, okay, let me show you.
Mm.
So let's say,
You can create mine.
okay. So what? Give me your first name.
AMRRITA.
M. Okay.
Singh. SINGH. Yes.
Okay.
Email ID DIETIAN dot amrita@gmail.com.
Okay.
Password we can give
Yeah.
anything, right?
Yeah, we can right now. Let me give you one, two
Okay.
test. Okay. I will
Okay.
give you I will send you the password. So after that,
Sure.
if I click on the create account,
Hmm.
excuse me. So see, it just registration successfully. So we are not validating any, like
Hmm.
this email is valid or not, right? So that means
Oh,
whatever the email
it
will be.
didn't even ask for OTP or any. Oh, it
Yeah,
was
yeah, that one is
registered.
the
Okay, fine.
validation. Yep.
Okay. Hmm.
So that one is the validation. So we don't have the validation here. So that thing actually we can add here
Create.
because
Right, right,
yeah, we
right.
can add here. So inside this, then what it should do, and then it should ask for the OTP. Okay.
But one thing, Pranto sir, as I remember, for sign up user story, we don't need validation. For sign in, we need validation.
No, 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 no. Then you forgot. So sign in. Like okay, if I ask you for every time to validate your information into the sign in, as it happens with some of the applications, some of the like banking applications for the high security, but mostly they don't ask for the like validation every time for
Okay,
the login. But for
okay,
the sign up, for the first time, it validate your email address. Otherwise, you can put any like unregistered email address also, right? You can put any temporary email or you can put any dummy email address. So
oh,
that's why it
okay,
asks
got it. What
actually
you are saying.
the one-time password. It actually send the password to you that registered email address. I mean this
Registered
email
email.
address.
Okay.
Then you
Mm.
will have to actually copy that password and paste it here. Then it will actually verify that yeah, your email address is actually valid,
Okay, got it,
right?
got it. Yep,
There is
yep,
no
yep,
other
yep.
way to validate that your email address is valid or not, right?
True, true. You are right. Yes.
So then it should ask for the OTP. Then no, it should send the OTP to
On
the
registered email.
given email address.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And when I copy the OTP from the email address,
Registered email. Yeah.
and I paste the OTP code to the uh, in the OTP field, then it should register the account successfully. Okay, so these are actually the enhancement part. So then the developer has already all these things. So developer will work on this one, will work on this one also. Like to validate, they will also add the one-time password functionalities also. Okay. So did you
Yes.
understand this?
Yes. Looks like. Yes.
Okay. Then as
Mhm.
usual, we are going to actually add the risk, and this is the obviously the high risk because without registration, without this verification, no one can actually access this application, right? No one will be able to use this application. So obviously highest priority and highest risk, and therefore we can put here the like 10 hours. Let's for like the testing, developing, then verifying all those things, and then we can also put the business value that is actually at the business on this here. It actually add like the securities, right? Securities of the application or the authentication of that application. And then this one is also you can put the start date, target date. We can actually put those also. Then as usual, and here you can assign yourself or assign. Let me assign my, and then save and close. See, and this user history under this authentication and the authorization. Okay. So this is the for the sign up. So let's create another one for the sign in. So user should be able to sign in to the